Welcome to Standing in Unity Yoga. This is a simple standing yoga practice. Please only do physical activity that's suitable for you or consult your healthcare provider. Please come into a comfortable standing position. Greet this beautiful day, giving thanks. Place one hand on the heart, one hand on the belly, and feel your breath expanding and deepening. I'm dedicating this practice to the spirit of the stolen indigenous children, their families, and the communities. To every child matters. Release your arms and roll shoulders up, back, and down. Let's begin with standing pose, Tadasana, rooting the feet, opening the toes. Inhale, sweep the arms overhead into a comfortable V position. Relax the shoulders down, steady the gaze. Feel your breath moving evenly in and out of the body. Feel your connection to everything that surrounds you here. Exhaling, releasing arms back down to the side. Wiggling out the fingers if you like. And inhale, sweep the arms skyward and interlace the hands or cup one hand above the other behind your head. Exhale, drop the elbows down, tucking the chin to the chest. Inhale, opening the elbows out to the side, sun breath. Exhale, folds forward. Inhale, opens the elbows out to the side. Continue this flow with your own full deep breath. With the next exhale, arc over to one side, a mini half moon. Inhale through center and exhaling, arcing to the opposite side. Mini half moon, maybe gazing up at the top elbow. Breathing deeply. Inhaling back to center. And exhale, let's release the arms back to the side. Take the hands to the heart and step the feet maybe a leg length apart. Inhale the arms up to the shoulder height and exhale them behind the back, holding on to opposite forearms or elbows. Inhale and then exhale, forward fold any amount. A modification is to rest your forearms across the front thighs, or to have the elbows clasped behind, or as another variation that goes a little deeper, interlacing the hands, the small of the back, and opening the arms away from the back body, relaxing the head and the neck. The knees can be soft or bent for more comfort, letting yourself flow with the breath. And then to release, slowly ragdoll yourself back up to standing. You may wish to close the eyes for a moment. Gently open the eyes, release the hands, taking the hands to the heart. And then turn the front foot out 90 degrees, the back foot in, maybe 45. We're coming into triangle, Trikonasana, inhaling the arms up to shoulder height. Keep the back hip pressing backwards as you reach forward, releasing the front hand down anywhere on that front leg, above or below the knee. And then the top hand can rest on the waist or inhale skyward. Feeling that nice expanse through the wingspan, stacking shoulders, softening them. And another variation is to draw the top arm alongside the top ear. Inhale, release, drawing back up to standing, moving right into side stretch, Parsva Konasana. Bend the front knee. You may need to widen your stance. You can rest your front forearm across that front thigh and inhale the top arm alongside the top ear. Progressive variations are to take that front hand down to the floor on either side of your front foot. And to go deeper is to bind the hands behind the back. Just have fun with the pose at whatever level you're navigating. And then to release strong legs, inhale back up to center. Virabhadrasana, warrior pose. And exhale the back hand to the back thigh, half moon stretch. Inhale back through center into warrior Virabhadrasana, gazing over the front hand. And then release, turning both feet forward, maybe stepping the feet a little bit closer to begin with as we flow to the other side. Breathing easily and fully. Inhale, turn the opposite foot out 90 degrees, the back foot in 45. Inhale the arms to shoulder height, reach forward, release that front hand down to the leg. And the top arm again can rest on the waist or stretch overhead. Open that wingspan, and it's as if you're rotating your heart up towards the sky. Gazing up or across or down for more balance. Play with the variations as you like. To release, gaze down, inhale, come back up, arms at shoulder height. Now begin to bend through that front knee, coming down into alignment with the knee over the front ankle and side stretch, Parsva Konasana. Rest the front forearm across the front thigh, top arm alongside the top ear, and you may wish to go deeper. Front hand plants on the earth or moving into the bind. Whatever level is fine. Feel the strong legs and even breath here. Then prepare to release. Strong legs coming back up into warrior pose. Keeping that front thigh strong. And then with the next exhale, let that back hand release down towards the back leg. Sweep the front arm over into that half moon side stretch variation. Inhale back through center, strong warrior. And then release the arms, release the feet into a narrower stance. A little bit wider than hip distance, and we're going to just shake out the arms with the swinging twist, relaxing the body, lifting the back, opposite heel as you go to one side, and vice versa. This should feel good. Release the swinging, maybe shaking out the body in any way that feels good. Root the feet once more. Feel your connection through the soles and the toes of the feet opening wide. Feel your breath. Inhale, sweep the arms overhead, and exhale, draw them down through center, blessing the beautiful mind, the beautiful eyes, beautiful breath, beautiful voice, coming down to heart center. Inhale, sweep the arms overhead once more. Exhaling down the good mind, the beautiful eyes, the good breath, the good words, to the kind heart. One more time, releasing arms skyward, palms pressed together, and exhale, release them down through center. Blessing your beautiful mind, the eyes, your dear breath, your voice, coming to the loving kindness of your heart, sharing it with yourself and with all others in the day ahead. Giving thanks to your dear body, to this practice, from the light in me to the light in you. Namaste. Enjoy your day.